Hello, in this video we're going to review this instant water heater. So this is something from China and you get different power ratings. So this is a 6.5 kilowatt, and so the higher the power rating, the faster it heats the water. So basically water will pass through here, cold water, and hot water exits at the top. And the way it works is, when you open up your tap, then it detects that the flow of water has started, and then the induction heating will then start working, and within about 3 to 5 seconds, depending on how cold the water is. If the water is very cold, especially here in Johannesburg in winter, then it probably would take about 10 seconds. And if you have a smaller power rating, then that hot water heating will not be sustained if it's very very cold. So then you got to have something like this one here, which is a 6.5 kilowatt, and this one here would be suitable for you for taking a shower. So overall it works very well. I've got a 4.5 kilowatt instant water heater in the kitchen area, basin, and it's been working for about 2 years now, and it works extremely well. It's a power saving as well, because you only use electricity for heating when you need it, and you only heat the amount of water that you use, as opposed to having, say, 100-liter geyser or 150-liter geyser, and every day it's got to heat up that amount of water, and plus it also loses heat through the natural dissipation of heat. So this one here is perfect for saving water as well as saving electricity, because saving water in that you're not going to wait a long time for hot water to come through. In your conventional geyser, you have to wait for the hot water to reach the tap, and if it's very cold, then that takes longer, and then more water is wasted. So this is perfect for a shower, or even an under counter installation for your basin in your bathroom. This is a 4.5 kilowatt instant water heater, and it's in a kitchen scullery. It's below the kitchen basin, and we've got cold water being supplied to it from a flexi pipe, and the hot water going into the mixer on the top of the sink through another flexi pipe, and it's supplied electricity by separate isolator. And you can set the thermostat here to up to 55 degrees. For us, we've got it set to 40 degrees because it's just supplying a kitchen sink, which is more than adequate. In winter, we do increase the temperature to about 45 degrees, but that's just to compensate for the very very cold water. So it works quite well, and within about 3 to 5 seconds we have hot water.